In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to duplicate a Google Ads campaign. If you find the video useful, please be sure to like and subscribe. Let's get right into it. So first of all, what you need to go ahead and do is make sure you are logged into your Google Ads account and make sure you're on the dashboard here. It should look something like this. You can see I'm on the overview section. So from here, we need to go ahead and find the campaign that we want to go ahead and duplicate. And to do this, it might look slightly different for you depending on the version you're on. Sometimes they change the UIs and stuff like that, so it may be a slightly bit different, but it's going to be the same process. So what you need to go ahead and do is look for the campaign section here. Now, you can either go on ads, ad groups, or campaigns. It depends what you actually want to duplicate. But let's say we want to duplicate the whole campaign. Go ahead and click on it here. And you can see we've got all of the different campaigns that I have available. And what we can do from here is we can go ahead and we can select a specific campaign. So let's say this one here. We can go next to it and there's a little checkbox. We want to click on that box there. So there should be a little bar that's popped up now, and it will have an edit button. On the edit button, you want to go to that, and you've got a lot of options here. The one that we're looking for is the copy button here. So once you go ahead and copy it, you can then go ahead and paste it with this one here, and that will basically paste the campaign exactly how it was, essentially duplicating it. From there, you can rename it just to keep it different from the last one, and you can also go into the ad groups and ads and do the same thing. So for example, if you were in a ad group of a campaign and you want to go ahead and duplicate it, you can go ahead and you can do the same process here and duplicate it, and this will allow you to change the keywords, for example, in a campaign, and it's just a little bit easier than having to manually do it every single time. But that's essentially how you go ahead and duplicate a campaign in Google Ads. If you found the video useful, be sure to go ahead and like and subscribe, comment down below that helped, and I'll see you in the next one.